Hi, I just wanted to let everyone know that today, June 8th, 2018, I received my eSight visor from the eSight company, and I'm very excited for the unboxing. Can't wait to get into this and see how it works. So, without further ado, let's get into this. So, as I had stated before, uh, this arrived on my doorstep today, June 8th, 2018. Uh, and I am very excited to get into this and open it up and see how this is going to benefit me in the future. So here we go, opening it up for the first time. And got some paperwork here, recruitment announcement. Congratulations on your purchase. Everyone deserves to see. There's the visor. It is the eSight 3 visor. And this is the current model. And I believe I chose the black visor. But it doesn't matter, black or white, it doesn't matter to me. So, okay, I'm going to take it out of the box and we'll go from there. Okay, I removed the eSight visor from the box, makes it a little easier to work around. And we will unbox this. I'm going to set this over to the side for right now. And then I do notice that we have more items in the box. And looks like we have some more paperwork. And what's new about the software, 2018. This is the current model, yeah, so this is going to be coming in real handy because, like I said before in my demonstration video, that there is software and it will need to be updated periodically, and it looks like you can do that with a cord, USB cord or an SD card. That's good. So we have that, and then we have the forehead band instructions. So they give you all that, which is going to be nice. Hopefully it's comfortable. Quick start guide right here. Pretty much everything you need to know about how to start this all out. Good, it's a poster, so it'll be easy for me to see. Good deal. That looks like good. A lot of stuff to read. A lot of reading in the next few days for me. And then, now this is the part that I don't have yet. The visor has come, but the lenses for my visor that were specially made for me haven't arrived yet. What they do is they take my prescription from my regular eyeglasses and then they develop lenses that will fit into the visor. So I won't need to wear my actual glasses when I'm using the visor. I can just wear the visor with lenses already in it. So, but this tells you how to install the lenses, and I haven't received them yet, so that'll come. And then welcome to eSight. It's like a nice spiral bound booklet, reading materials. Again, a lot of reading. So looking forward to getting into this stuff. And then safety information, of course, you got to have your safety stuff. How many people actually read this? Well, I think I'm going to. A lot of times I just skim through this, but I think with this visor and it being so important and expensive, I think it deserves a little bit of my time. So I'm going to actually read all of these front and back. So, and then what we have here, got a lot of books, And then you have your low vision software reference guide. Good, because this will come in handy if I have problems with the menus or the controls or anything like that. I can refer to this. That's good. another instruction manual. Let's see. E-skills. Learning to adjust your eSight 3-4 distance, writing, and mobility. Now this is going to be the one that I'm going to have to really pay attention to, because when you are wearing the visor, it is disorienting at first. It does improve, but this booklet will help me try to solve some of those issues, and so definitely looking forward. Now this is this is several pages. Look at that. I think it's big. So a lot of reading, but it's going to be beneficial. Definitely be beneficial. So it looks like we got some kind of if I'm not mistaken, these are probably, yeah, these are different things that I can use to focus in on and demonstrate the visor. Kind of like what they did during my demonstration. You know, what are the numbers on line 10? So that's where you learn how to focus. Learn how to focus your thing. Big book, a very important book. And then we have the accessories. I don't really know what else would be in here except for power cords and things like that. I think this is just cardboard as these two boxes here. And so we've got bands, instruction manuals. Oh, yeah, okay, that's the headband and things like that. So, okay, so we take the lid off. We can do it one-handed, which I don't think I'm going to be able to do. Yeah, slowly but surely. This company's like Apple. It takes you an hour just to be able to get into the box. But it's packed very well, and for the money that you spend on these, they better be. So. All right, there we go. So the box is off, the lid is off. You get a nice, hard case. It's not plasticky. It's a nice. I'm not sure what it is. It's like a camping material, like a book bag fabric, but it's very sturdy. It's got a nice frame here that keeps everything intact and still, and it's got a nice handle and zipper, and zip the case, and we open it up for the first time, and voila, there we go. There's the visor. It is a black visor. Is a black visor. It's very light, not heavy at all, very light, and just incredible. I don't want to start pulling on cords and things, so I'm going to be very careful, but it looks like here is your visor, and then your attachment cables. Here is the remote. This is what you carry with you. Zoom in, zoom out. You can pan left and right. Your control button in the center. They went through all that with me during my demo, and this will take a little bit of getting used to carrying this with me along with the visor. But this is the system here. There is a software built into this that controls this controller. Get a better look at the visor underneath. You can see that there's actually two screens that I will look through, and these are the actual cameras right there. So, and then here looks to be the battery. Yep, that's the battery. And battery or the battery charger? I believe it's the battery. And she said I could get up to 6 hours with this battery. And it looks like I have a nice what looks to be a cleaning cloth or something, I'm not sure. Oh no, it's a bag.